Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you how to make your SD card projects without this adapter. Let's come on in. Today we will need these SD card adapters. And we will use headers for soldering it to there. I make it before, so this board not seem good, but I think that's not a problem. Take your soldering wire and solder it. Inside you comment this case, which shows you the answer start. Now wait. I think it's done. Now take this. Now you need breadboard, Arduino, you can use Uno or Nano, and SD card adapter, SD card, one screen. I chose this 0.96 screen and some cables. I will share these connections in description. I make 3 switches. Come there and press code, download zip, and press download, and user use wizard and finish. I did it before. And when you came, choose your board, and choose your COM and upload it. And it's done. And now connect Arduino's supply. And try again, and it's done. When you remove SD card and plug it again and reset it, yeah, it's working. Thanks for watching. See you.